In the 90s, when I was a kid, this is how we listened to music. Either you have a tape deck right here, or you have a CD player with a CD changer. I'm not sure if you guys have ever seen a CD changer. Looks like this. This came with my AZ1. We're gonna pop this guy out real quick. All right, and there's a little cassette right here that you can load multiple CDs. All right, this came straight from Japan. A little bit blown out right there, but you take your CDs. All right, I'm just gonna leave that right there real quick. Take your CDs. You got my favorite albums right here. So I'll just pop this guy in here. Pop this guy in here. Push it down. You take this cassette, all right, and then we go to the back again, and we just drop it in. I think we got that backwards. Drop it in like so, all right. Press it down, close it, and then it's gonna roll through all of the CDs, and you can pick what you want over here. So I'm gonna load, say, CD number 9. You really don't get a lot of choices. You get 9 CDs and I think 20 songs each, and that's pretty much it. There's no Spotify, there's no Pandora, there's no YouTube streaming. You just get your favorite CD from the music store, Tower Records or whatever, and then that's all you get. Play it and listen to the crappy quality because my speakers are pretty bad. Isn't that cool? Or if you're an OG and you don't have a CD changer or player, you can just use your cassette player right there. Oh man, you guys have it good these days.